Give me a hell yeah.
Hello everyone, it's Friday, and you know what that means? It's now time for our bold review dito sa Fridays with Viva Max only on Harriet. And today we are going to be reviewing the latest Viva Max movie na ngayon has 11 million subscribers. So congratulations Viva Max for being the one of the top streaming platforms dito sa Pilipinas, and also for jump-starting my career as a content creator dito sa YouTube. Thank you for this platform. I am grateful, and I am also thankful that you have reached 11 million subscribers and have introduced the new breed of Viva Max stars along the way. So let's talk about the 11 million Viva Max 11 million Viva Max subscribers special. Meron silang partner doon sa Viva Cafe, and they introduced the new breed of Viva Max. And ano to those new breed? Ando sila Tasca, they got Sienna Yu, they got Alessandra Ying, ano pangalan to? They got Christine Perias. Salami Salvi is actually there. And of course, the Fantasia ladies are there. The Candy Veloso. Uh-huh. Also, don't forget the boys. Andun din sila. Angela Morena is like one of their eldest elder. Yung mga ganap na nandun. They got Micaela Ross, and Stephanie Ross is also there. We got Rica Gonzalez. We got Jesse Garcia. We got Alessandra Cruz. We got Jen Rosa. We got really a lot. Carissa Manzano. Ayun. Christy Imperial. I've said that. We got Vern K. This is Athena Red. Or ewan ko kung siya si Athena Moran sa mga previous sa pelikula. Okay, let's go to these new breed of Viva Max. I am excited to see them. Ewan ko, Sahara Bernales, new breed rin. We got Isa Watanabe here in this movie, and Jody Calazo. Okay, so this is Balin sa Kayaw. This is the first ever Viva Max 1 hour and above movie. And I think, ang tagal na, no? Friday. In about 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks ago. And with the disappointment of Dirty Ice Cream, I can say this Balin sa Sayaw made me interested in Bold again. And that's why I brought back the Space Walk music from Honkai Star Rail. With regards to storytelling, okay naman itong Balin sa Sayaw. It's about Rowena, a rich kid, pinakasalan ang pinakapoging lalaki sa bayan na si Carlo, played by Ben Zangalang. And Carlo is a womanizer. He is involved in many affairs. Okay? So one of the affairs is with Johnny Calazo, the kapitana ng barangay, and they actually had a quickie during the reception ng kasal ni Rowena, ni Rowena. And kapitana actually had a husband, yung kalbo. Di ko alam pangalan ng kalbo eh, sorry na. Pero yun, that's pretty hot sex action there. It was quick, it was efficient, and it established that Carlo is indeed a womanizer. And dito, nakilala natin ang muntik na mag-interrupt sa kasal. Si Apple D playing the role as Ivy. Ex ni Carlo and best friend ni Rowena. And tensions are high Kasi pinatuloy ni Carlo itong si Ivy sa titirahan nila. And we got some reason about that. We'll get to that. So, Rowena and Ivy, mayroon sila sigalot sa isa't isa. And it's all about yung unrequited feelings ni Rowena kay Ivy. Okay? But ayaw ilabas eh. Ayaw, nagalit itong si Rowena nung umalis si Ivy for Australia. And ngayon bumalik. Also, Ivy is best friends with Arya Bench's character. Di ko alam yung pangalan ng character niya. Just go look up the credits. But Arya Bench is also here. This is a Fantasia Laia field. It's like the 1 year anniversary of Fantasia Laia, I think. And that's a very nice achievement. Very nice, very nice milestone for them, including this movie. I think this is one of the top tier movies ng Viva Max. Everything is great. Ika nga. Tony Khan, guys. Everything is great. So, itong si Carlo, he's interested in the life insurance policy ni nitong si Rowena. And it's pretty obvious Carlo married Rowena to get all the money, including the insurance. And he's actually plotting a bit of decisiveness, deviousness in him. And yung fact na parang obsessed na obsessed si Carlo to the point na meron silang relasyon ni Kapitana dito sa pelikula ito just to seduce the insurance agent to get the details sa insurance ni Rowena is actually pretty cheap move. So yeah, also Carlo, knowing the fact na hindi nabubuntis itong si Rowena, decides to rekindle his relationship with Ivy. And behind the scenes, nakikipagtalik ito si Carlo sa si Ivy. Pero ito si Ivy sa si Rowena, nagkabalikan sa isang meetup. And yung anger nila, sa stika nila, it's all the face value lang na kay Carlo. In reality, nagkabalikan sila and they have lesbian legs. Ayan. So, meron ditong instance sa pelikula na to na tinira ni Carlo itong si Ivy, tapos natulog. Tapos si Rowena naman yung tumira kay Ivy. Ang galing eh. Di ba? Let's go skip to the ending. Nasiwalat ang relationship ni Kapitana sa ni Carlo. Carlo almost kills Rowena at the end. Pinatulog niya, may muntik na niyang itapon sa balon itong si Rowena para kunin yung insurance. Si Ivy nabuntis ni Carlo. It wasn't part of the plan, pero it was all part of the plan ni Rowena sa kay Ivy. So, Rowena was ended up rescued by Ivy at the end. They both killed Carlo, tinapon nila sa balon. And the plan ni Rowena sa ni Ivy is bubuntisin ni Carlo itong si Ivy para siya yung maging anak nila ni Rowena. Kasi hindi pwede magbuntis yung babae sa babae, di ba? So, yeah, it all worked out. Double agent ko lang yung dating ni Ivy sa pelikula to. I forgot Isa Watanabe is here. Even though I mentioned her name at the beginning of the review. Katulong siya and Carlo also had sex with her. Carlo is a womanizer. So, all of the sex scenes dito sa pelikula to, they're really awesome. Okay? So, I'm giving it a top tier. Tier 1 entertainment, ladies and gentlemen, dito sa Balin sa Sayaw. And, na-miss ko yung isang oras sa Viva Max eh. Yun talaga may progression ng plot. Yung dati, yung mga nakaraan, puro lang eh. Puro porno lang eh, no? Okay. So, punta tayo sa ating tiers. Facebook ko yan. Yeah! Si Budenhauser, siya yung yung coach ng Phoenix. Okay. Balin sa Sayang. Where do I put you? I'm gonna give Balin sa Sayang a well-deserved 11 million subscriber. Yeah, we're getting there. Smash. Yeah, this is a very good movie. Very smashable. Smash that like button. Uh, Comment kayo kung gusto nyo. Smash that like button. Hit that bell icon for more of your full review. This is a Fridays with Vivox only on Harriet. And that is my review of Balin sa Sayaw. Di ko alam ang meaning ng Balin sa Sayaw. Look up nyo na lang. This is Harriet. Goodbye and good night. Bang!